here in London, up to 20, and the warm weather spread right up as far north as Liverpool and beyond. But around some of the coast, in the Isle of Man, for instance, northeast England, very much cooler, Glasgow as well, and then the far north of Scotland actually had some thundery showers, and they were generated by the tail end of that little weakish front there. You can just see it curling away on this satellite picture. It's still around, it's still giving some showers across Scotland, one or two coming in towards the Glasgow area, but the heaviest ones are in that northern part. They'll move away up into the Northern Isles and then eventually fizzle out. So most of us are going to have a fine and dry night, some mist and fog patches, and temperatures at their lowest around about 9 or 10 degrees. So tomorrow then in some parts of the country, especially in eastern and southern England, starts off rather grey and misty, and it's also going to be fairly grey and misty in that northwestern part of Scotland there, with some drizzle as well. But it isn't going to be long before the mist clears, the sun comes through, and much of the country is going to have a gloriously sunny day. It will be rather more cloudy in northwestern parts, especially the far northwest and the Northern Isles there, where there could still be just a little bit of drizzle around. Now we're still going to have the winds coming in from the southeast. That's going to keep some of the coasts somewhat cooler, for instance here in East Anglia, along the south coast, parts of the Irish Sea as well. That's where the temperatures will be pegged down. But having said that, there will be sea breezes picking up around many coasts, keeping those temperatures a little bit lower, not desperately low, but inland another very warm day indeed, up to 23 degrees in some favoured spots. Now if you're like me, a little bit thin on top, do bear in mind that with all that sunshine tomorrow you could well get sunburnt, and you only need to be outside for about 35 or 40 minutes. Air quality is not too good either, especially in the Midlands or the southeastern corner of England. Now the days ahead there will be a little bit of a change. We're going to keep the warm weather over southern areas. Temperatures in the north though tending to drop just a shade, but it is going to stay fine and dry nevertheless. On Thursday perhaps rather more cloud across Scotland, giving just here and there one or two light showers, but much of the country having another dry day with a good deal of sunshine. Warm too, but around the coast perhaps a little bit of mist in places, and certainly those temperatures a little bit lower. And then by Friday we will see somewhat lower temperatures over Scotland, still very warm nevertheless, but in the south warm and bright, still some sunshine. That's all for now.